Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Tech AI. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to download any artwork in Wombo Dream. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. It's quite easy. In case you don't know how to, well, worry not. We have created a video regarding that as well. Now let's simply look at how to download any artwork in Wombo Dream. Well, I'm simply gonna scroll down. And let's say I want to download this artwork right here. I'm simply gonna click on it, and then from here I will be redirected to this page. Well, as you can see, this is the artwork. You can simply like it, you can share it, well, it's up to you. But right now all we want to do is download it. At the top right you can see these three dots, click on it, and from here it's gonna give you a few options. Download image, the thing we are looking for, view artist profile, or simply report. Right now we just want to download the image, so I'm gonna click on the first option right here. And guys, that is it. As you can see, the image has been downloaded in our mobile device. That is it guys, that's how we download any artwork in Wombo Dream. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.